I wanted to give you an idea of how cars are prepared for winter here in northeast Siberia. We are right now traveling with two Uaz Buhankas from Yakutsk to Magadan. Right now we are in Ushnera, and yesterday we left Oymyakon, that is the coldest inhabited place on the planet. Here as we speak we have minus 48 degrees, but yesterday we were driving in minus 56, 57. So what can we know about these cars? So I will not talk about the basics because you probably all know Uaz. But there are a couple of smart modifications. So obviously these cars have a face cover that will keep the engine bay warmer, and interestingly we also have a cover under the engine bay, so there is no chance for cold air to get into the engine bay. Needless to say that there is a thick cover under any part that would let the cold air in. There is insulation all around under the car and in the car. You will see that we have double glazing all around. I don't know how much it is visible. So there is a double layer of a second layer of glass with some insulation in between. The same applies to the side windows and to the windscreen. There is an additional glass here. This is really useful. Last year we were driving with cars without a double glazing, and there is a constant thick ice layer developing on the inside of the window, and it is quite a hard labor to keep it sort of clean from the inside. Obviously we have some insulation from within, so each and every of the doors and all the other parts is quite thickly insulated. The car also gets a thick insulation from underneath. There is I see that the Kaspersky team is actually arriving here with all the defenders in the meantime, accidentally. I think they are traveling a long trip here. The cars even have either have a strong winter tire or some studded tires. Ours have only winter tires, but the other Defender has a studded tire. And obviously there is a very strong and upgraded heating system. So here you can see there is a strong air heater that is blowing hot air constantly into the cabin, so that we keep it nice and toasty. So that's what it is. Obviously we use sort of adjusted lubricants so that it doesn't get frozen, and yeah, that's what I can say about our Buhankas. They are lovely cars. Today, despite of the operated fluids or clutch was blown by the frost, so we are waiting for the garage to fix the clutch, probably change some of the parts that were blown by the ice, and then we continue towards Magadan. Thanks for watching.